嗨，你好。
Hi, there is a man in the image. He is wearing a brown sweater and glasses, and he appears to be in a lab setting with 2 test tubes and 2 pipettes on a test tube rack in front of him.
我今天想跟你一起做一个实验，可以吗？
Sure, the man in the video wants to do an experiment with you. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about the experiment?
我手上有这些东西，让你猜猜看，我想要做什么实验？
Okay, the man has a pH test strip card in his hand. Are you thinking he is going to test the pH of the liquids in the 2 test tubes?
哇，你好聪明哦！我确实想要透过试纸来测试一下这2个液体的酸碱性。
The man confirms you're right. He is going to use the pH test strips to measure the acidity of the 2 liquids. Is there anything else about this experiment you'd like to know?
我想要请你指导一下我要怎么进行这个实验，透过我现在准备的东西。
Sure, the man is asking for guidance on how to use his materials to complete the experiment. It looks like you should use the pipettes to transfer a small amount of each liquid onto a separate piece of the pH testing strip, then compare the color to the color chart on the package to determine the pH. Do you have any questions about how to perform the experiment?
好哦，我大概知道你的意思。那我是不是应该要先拿出我的试纸？
Yes, it appears the man is going to take out the pH test strips, like you said, to get ready to test the liquids.
那我
Do you have any other?
要用几张试纸啊？
Okay, the man wants to know how many pH strips he should use. Based on what I'm seeing, you should use 1 strip for each test tube. Do you have any other questions?
1张就够了嘛，对不对？
Yes, 1 picohenry strip should be enough for each test tube. Do you have any other questions about the experiment?
好，那我现在要开始实验，你看我做的对不对？哈，首先我拿这个滴管呢，吸了一点点第一种液体。好，我把这个液体。
Yes, it looks like you are performing the test correctly.
对啊，
You are using a pipette to draw up a small amount of the first liquid and holding a pH strip ready to test it. Do you want to proceed with the test now?
我测了。你有看到它变色了吗？
Yes, I see that the pH strip has changed color.
好，
What is the pH?
那接下来我要怎么知道它的 pH 值？
Now the man wants to know how to determine the pH of the liquid. You should compare the color of the wet test strip to the color chart that was on the packaging. Do you have any questions?
比较这个吗？是比较这个吗？
Yes, you should compare the pH strip to the color chart. Do you have any other questions about the experiment?
那你可以帮我比较看看，它比较接近哪一个 pH 值？
Okay, the man is asking you to compare the pH strip to the color chart. The color of the strip appears closest to the yellow color on the chart, which corresponds to a pH of around 6. Do you want me to compare the second strip as well?
所以 pH 6是代表它偏酸性咯。
Yes, a pH of 6 indicates that the liquid is slightly acidic. Would you like to proceed with the testing of the second liquid?
OK， 那接下来我想要测另外一个液体。那一样我
Okay, the man said.
我一样举一张试纸。
Okay, the man will take another pH strip for the second liquid. Does he need any more guidance?
那我一样滴一滴是吗？滴在试纸上吗？
Yes, the man will now use the pipette to drop the second liquid on the pH strip, as he did previously. Do you need any other assistance?
好，你有看到它的颜色变化吗？
Yes, the second pH strip appears to have changed color.
那
Would you like me to compare it to the color chart?
对对对，我想请你帮我看一下，它大概它的 pH 值应该会是在什么地方？
Okay, the second strip is showing a more green color. Comparing the second pH strip to the color chart, it looks like it matches the color that indicates a pH around 7.5. Would you like me to assist with anything else?
好哦，谢谢你。所以这个是你觉得它是偏中性还是碱性的呢？
You're welcome. The second liquid has a pH of 7.5, which means that it is slightly basic or alkaline. Do you need anything else?
所以是酸性、中性还是碱性呢？
The first liquid was slightly acidic, and the second liquid was slightly alkaline. Do you have any further questions about this?
没有了，谢谢你哦。
You're welcome. It was my pleasure to assist you with your experiment.